everyone, my name is Brittney Vassor. I'm the new credit specialist for Post Credit Services, which is brought to you by the Alicia small team. And I'm so excited that we have this new in-house credit repair service program for our clients. The goal of the program is to create positive mindsets about credit, and it gets you on a successful roadmap to improving your credit history and also your relationship with your finances, so that we can get you in front of a realtor and create home ownership. So our program will start with a free credit repair consultation, and during that consultation, what I will do is we will look at I'll have you pull your credit report, and then we'll take a look at it together. What I want to do is educate you on what to look at with your credit report, what's actually being reported by the bureaus, what is positive and negatively reflecting on your report itself, because a lot of times people just say that they look at their score but they don't understand the logistics behind it. And so that's our job, is to break down what a credit report actually is and create steps to enable you to decipher what is actually being reported, so that if we need to dispute anything, we can. But we will go over that on your free consultation. After your free consultation, if you feel that you want the additional services so that I can be able to help you increase your credit score and get you on that road to home ownership, then we will discuss the program more in depth. And if you decide that this program is for you, then we at that point will set up our future consultation so that we can work on setting your goals and creating your roadmap to success for home ownership. I also can be contacted at postcreditservices@gmail.com. You can send your inquiries there. At that point, a time and a date will be set up for your free consultation so that we can go over your report, and I'll give you a little bit more information on what to bring to the appointment. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for your daily tips and credit tricks, and also additional education on how to increase your credit. And I will be looking forward to hearing from you soon.